Hey guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Friends, from this video tutorial we'll be starting learning how to create a website in CMS in PHP and MySQL. In previous video I give you the introduction for that. Now from this video we are going to learn this thing. So let's start. We created a folder named Malala inside our htdocs, and so we can create more folders inside this Malala folder, and you need to have an admin folder here, an images folder here, and an includes folder here, because that is very necessary for creating a complete website. And inside complete website you should have all the necessary files and folders already. So we'll create a new folder here, which will be, we name it includes. This is the includes folder, where we'll be creating files which we will later on include in our files or in our pages. And the second folder will be admin, and the third folder will be images, so we can store some images inside these folders. And now come here, just create an index file for this project. That index file will be the home page of our website. The home page is always created with index. The home page name always must be index.php or index.html or whatsoever the extension is, but index file is the default file for displaying on the home page. So here we are. Just I will start the basic structure of an HTML file. And one thing I want to let you know, that all the codes will be written by me from absolutely starting, and also the entire codes will be written by me, just by my hands. Not I won't use any designing software like Dreamweaver or something like that. This all codes you should remember and you will learn, inshallah. So this the basic structure for index.html page, index.php page. Here is the HTML structure, the head, after that the title, and this is PHP site. Yeah, of course. No, this is not PHP site, this is Malala Yousafzai, because we have dedicated this complete project to Malala Yousafzai. So welcome to Malala Yousafzai. Yeah, this is the title. So after that the hand will be closed, and then the body section will be closed, started, and after that here is the body station, closed. Here are the HTML, and Control S to save this file. Inside, come to computer, C, and after that XAMPP, and then come to htdocs, and here is the Malala folder. And inside the exact Malala folder you need to give it a name, index.php. PHP is the extension for this file, so this will be saved inside Malala folder. So by default this will be the index, the main page of our website. So I just saved it. Now come here and make some blocks. For example, a header. Yeah, of course I say that div id is equal to header. This is the header of the page. I just say this is the header. Yeah, this is the header, and inside div another div take, or just copy this one, because we need to first design an interface or the index.php page. We should design it first, and after that making a very basic design or very good design. After that we can insert content in using PHP. But the first thing or the first task is to design the page in CSS and HTML. Yeah, CSS is used for designing the web page. So we will first design the page, and after that making an interface for the users, we can insert content or images or media or whatsoever we need. So but the basic and the first thing is to create this layout. So here we are, this just 5 sections. For example, the one is for header, and the second one will be navigation bar. The third one will be content area or post body, you can say content area or post body, you can say whatever you name it, it will be accepted. Yeah. So here is the sidebar. One sidebar will be here in our project, and this is the footer. Yeah, of course this is the footer, and all these will be having different CSS IDs. So navigation, just nav bar. Yeah. And this is the content or post main content. Yeah, this is an ID which we will later on design in our CSS. And here will be the sidebar, an ID, and this is the footer. Yeah, of course, this all thing has done. All thing have done. Now control N to create a new file for CSS and just write some codes inside here, and then save it with the name of style. Oh, I'm really sorry. The name style dot css. Just name it style, and the extension should be css because this is a css file. So now save it. This is a css file, and this is the index.html file. If you view this file on your browser, so how you will view this file? You will just write localhost, because the XAMPP is your localhost, and after that backslash, then write Malala. Just write Malala. You don't need to insert index.php, because index.php is the default folder for this folder. Yeah, sorry, index.php is the default file, the main file for this directory or for this folder. So directly index.php will be opened in this browser. Just enter. Yeah, so you can see here, welcome to Malala Yousafzai. That was the title of this page, and the other content, that this is header, this is navigation bar, content area, sidebar, etc. These are just simple text because we haven't yet styled it up, or we haven't stylized this page. So we will be doing some CSS work in our upcoming tutorial to make it beautiful, fancy interface, and after that we'll be doing our PHP work as well. So stay tuned with me. Ta-da.